Thank you.
It was Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank. An old man said, son, I won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rare old Mountain Dew. I turned my eyes away and I thought about you. Got on the lucky one, came in at 18 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. Happy Christmas. There's gonna be good times when all our dreams come true. They got cars big as bars, they got rivers of gold, but the wind blows right through you, it's no place for the old. When I first took your hand on the cold Christmas Eve, oh, I told you that Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome and pretty, queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, the crowd howled for more. Sinatra was singing, and all the crowd they were singing. Oh, we kissed in the corner and danced round the floor. And the boys from the NYP choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out on Christmas Day. I could have been someone, and so could anyone. I took my dreams from you when I first met you. I kept them with me, babe, and I put them with my own. I can't make it all alone. I've built my dreams around you. You're a bum, you're a punk, you're an old whore and junk, lying there under the rip, nearly dead in the bed. Yes, scumbag, you maggot, ah, you cheap, lousy faggot. Happy Christmas, me arse, oh, I'd rather be dead. And the boys from the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out on Christmas Day. I love you, baby. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. Happy Christmas. How I love you, baby. There's gonna be good times when all our dreams come true. So happy Christmas. I love you, baby, says Shane McGowan from Pogues in the County Tipperary, down in Paddy Kennedy's pub in Sweet Pogues. And I took him by the hand and I gazed in his eyes and I said, hey Shane, I love you, baby, too.